Welcome back to our English conversation series. Before we dive into today's casual morning conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, you will find the vocabulary used in this video.
Good morning, Anaya. How did you sleep last night?
Good morning, Ria. Not bad, I guess. What about you?
Pretty good. What's your usual morning routine like?
Well, I'll start with some yoga, then a healthy breakfast before diving into work. You?
I'm thinking of trying to do meditation, running, quick breakfast before work. After that, straight to emails and meetings.
Nice plan. Starting your day with a strong coffee and enthusiasm is great.
Thanks. I really need this coffee to start the day.
No worries. Take care.
You too. Bye-bye.
And that's a wrap for today's casual morning conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. Usual, the thing which is typically done or present. Routine, a sequence of actions regularly followed. Dive, to start doing something suddenly and energetically, often without stopping to think. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing or clearing your mind using a combination of mental and physical techniques. Enthusiasm, a feeling of energetic interest in a particular subject or activity and an eagerness to be involved in it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app. Like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel for more fresh and engaging English conversations.